Hello everyone, welcome to another ChatGPT-4 video. Now in this ChatGPT-4 video, I will show you how to clear all chats in ChatGPT-4. Now with this video, you can also clear the chats in ChatGPT-3 as well. Now obviously, as you can see, all you have to do is go here down below the three dots, and here as you can see you have clear conversations. Once you click clear conversations, as you can see, this will clear up all your conversations. What you can also do is you can go here and delete the conversation one by one. As you can see, you click on the conversation, you delete it, and then go to the next one, you delete it as well, and to the next one, and that's pretty much it. Now you can also go here, settings, and then here go to data control, and then just disable this. This will disable all the chat history, as you can see on the left side, and it will clear up all the chats in ChatGPT-4 and 3 as well. Now, obviously, you can also export data here as well, which is pretty sweet. So if you want to just export the entire data from ChatGPT-4 or 3, you can do that by clicking the export button here, which is really, really awesome. So that's pretty much it. I mean, this is very, very simple things that you can implement in order to clear all chats in ChatGPT-4. Now, if you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.